last longer than that. Next time it charge it, it'll probably be alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Ducks. Natural history of ducks. The duck, the lonely chicken duck. Did you get it? It went back.
What do you mean, bark?
And you just burped.
Hmm? Bit of water where the boat mixed earlier.
Trying to run the battery down.
Look.
Make a mess of
Made a
water.
hole in the gravel over there, look.
You make the hole in the ground. Nice family picnic over there.
I don't know what they're doing over there.
It looks like they're having a picnic.
And they've got loads of rope for some reason, I don't know what.
Maybe they are trying to catch fish, I'm guessing.
What, with rope?
You might attach something to it, you know. A lonely feather. Very lonely. This is one big feather. Be free!